Right. So we have a surprise talk or a comical talk, I would say, by Jure um, about the dangers of Python.
Yeah, hello. That's something I wanted to talk about because it's not discussed um, often enough about the dangers. The There was a recent incident when a man in Austria, in Graz, which is less than 100 miles from here, was bitten by an escaped python while sitting on the toilet, and I thought, oh, this is critical. We should be aware of these problems. And then I went and searched for this for a while and found out that it's a rare, but it's not too rare occurrence for a python to um, run away and cause problems. And there's statistics about it that I didn't really research too much. The only ones who do take pythons seriously are Floridians because they have an elimination program for pythons. And then I, of course, researched the risks. The python mostly wants to be warm and in a humid environment, and it's like um, Austria isn't usually like that. So when python is kept as a pet, it can be outside of its usual habitat. And then there's, of course, the feeling that python is unfairly judged here, and it's also possibly to like um, accidentally swallow a ruby and suffocate. Or um, I actually searched for how many elms have fallen down and crushed something, and it's not as often as pythons biting some people. Um, but there's a lot of people that drown in the sea, though. And I thought about maybe it's because of the pointers, and it's also true with rust. It can, if you get a wound close to a rusty surface, it's common to get an infection. So I connected that with having pointers because most of the dangerous languages seem to have pointers. And then I think that's it. We should have a discussion about it because the Rust slide in the template had some interesting numbers, and I decided to include them so we can talk about them. And I think that's all of my talk.